Welcome to Wellsburg, Iowa, the home of Grainway Belt Manufacturing. This is belt technology at its finest, and it was just acquired by Lambton Conveyor. And that is the story we're about to go check out inside. So here we have some fresh crop residue. But what happens before this is actually harvested? What happens whenever you're getting grain into a bin like that, or out of that bin and into a truck like that, and then that takes it from the farm to your table? What is that process? Let's find out.
I was a farmer all my life, and I raised seed beans for a seed company now for 45 years. But if you back that up to 2002, there was one thing that I seen, or that my partner, Clarence Sherfield, who is my other partner, there was a need for a few things. One of them was for a conveyor underneath a grain bin, and that had a 12-inch plenum height. That's never been done before. The other thing was the longevity of the conveyor itself. The other thing was the speed for filling semis, but not damaging the grain. But it took some time, so we started a company from nothing. I mean, I raised livestock all my life. My partner did too, Clarence, and we wanted to have a niche and prayed about it, and the Lord guided me to try it. So Clarence did the drawings, we did the building, we did testing on it, and then we launched it as Grainway. Just a flow of grain. The grain was flowing Grainway, so we just decided to do that.
Okay, so just breaking this down, exactly what does this piece of equipment do? If you see that grain bin back there, and you've got that grain bin full of grain, you put one of these babies underneath that, and it's in the concrete. It helps transport that grain out, and then it gets it from here into a truck, and it does it safely, efficiently, effectively, with American-made equipment.
Future of Grainway is looking bright. Me and Clarence are very excited about it. Working with Lambton, Dan Biggs over the last few years here, they want to grow the business. They want to keep the Grainway name for now, and Lambton alongside of it. And that's very important to us, keeping Grainway going and out there to use.
So this is a 58-foot conveyor. So you guys obviously make these in all sorts of lengths and widths. Yeah. You can make them anything you want, pretty much. They were saying that you actually pre-roll out the belt completely, and then when you have it totally done, then you actually disassemble it all and you put the belt back right here. So it's all 100% insured to work.
Yeah, this is our 18-inch model, but yes, exactly. It's put together. We check it all out, make sure it all fits up real good. Yeah. And in this case, we took it apart two parts, so it's easy to transport, 4,500 bushels per hour.
Okay. Just so most people may not understand that, that's 4.5 truckloads an hour, basically. Yes. So about
like five
truckloads an hour. So that's quite a bit. I love this design because it's easy to work on, it doesn't break down very easy, and it lasts a long time.
Why do I care about grain so much? With the farming blood in me, I have a farmer friend that says, if you want to farm, you got to have the farmer blood in you. And yes, I have that. And the farmer blood cares about the product that we raise. It doesn't matter if it's beef or whatever it is, poultry or whatever. You want to do the best job that you can know how to do. And that's why it cares about so much for the seed also. So we want to raise the best seed we can, the quality seed we can, down to the plant, to the seed companies, to the end buyer.
First thing we're doing is, of course, we're continuing to make the Grainway Belt Conveyor. So we're going to continue to do that because then it's got a good name, got good stuff. So we're going to continue that. The next thing we're doing is we're actually going to get the equipment. We're going to start making what we call our grain cannons, which is a conveyor type system. So that's the next step. So we're looking at doing the grain cannons. We're going to start working with local manufacturers here to supply some of the stuff. Then we're going to start assembling it all here, shipping it all out from here. So yeah, it's exciting.
Putting American manufacturing jobs locally, and then building more in America, so that even though you're distributing out of here, now you're going to be bringing more and more and more and more of that back to Iowa?
Oh, no, actually, long-term goal is we want to manufacture here in the United States. I mean, because there's so much opportunity. I mean, the United States is an awesome place to do business and a lot of good people.
American made means a lot to me. It doesn't take a big company to sell product. It takes people that care. It takes people that build that company up to have a longevity that you want.
When he was talking today about how the American farmer really is the essence of what is happening in America right now, and the regulatory bodies that are available and that monitor and make sure that the standards that we have are the best in the world. People don't think about that. They think like, oh man, you know, they're so much better in Europe or they're better somewhere else. No, America has some of the best standards, the best models, and everybody comes to America to watch what we do because they grow more food per acre than anyone else in the world. We have the best technology, the best quality, and we know how to win, especially when it comes to farming.
It's not about me, but it's about caring for people and know that there's something besides this world after they pass away. That they can enter heaven if they accept Jesus Christ as their Lord and Savior. And that's what's really important to me. That's my next goal. It always has been, but I'm just going to expand on that as I retire. I'll never retire. I'll be doing something. So.
Reawakened, forged in the crucible of liberty, powered by the fuel of freedom.